Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to another episode of Over the Table's Random Reviews. Today we've got a pretty darn interesting product. It is a pocket slingshot. I'm sure you've heard of it before or you've seen it before. There is ways to make this thing with a DIY kind of project. If you want to see that, leave it in the comments below. But right now we got the product. I found it for about $5, pretty budget friendly. Let's open it up and check it out. Alright guys, so here's our product. It does come in pretty standard eBay packaging. No, it doesn't have the bubble wrap, but we really don't need it for a product like this because it's really not fragile in any way. We're going to use this little plier multi-tool that we reviewed in the last video to open this thing up. I know it's sad that it's not the penknife, but this is what we'll be using for the time being. So let's open this thing up. Alright. So you can see in your package, it is going to be protected in some extra plastic, always good to protect from scratches. And here is the product. You can see it's got a latex type, kind of like a balloon, actually gives you the elasticity to make it a slingshot. And then you can see that this unscrews, giving it the opening. So essentially you're going to throw something in there like a ball or a rock. You're going to stretch this thing back, you're going to launch it forward, and it works just like a slingshot, and I'm expecting it to be pretty decent. I don't know what's going on right there, but clearly a manufacturing issue that could cause us issues in the future. It is nice that it comes with a cap because then you could store your ammunition in there, keep it closed, and then it's really portable to have everything you need to shoot this thing off. It is made of plastic, and this back part is made of latex. It's just like a balloon, guys. Again, I think it does come in different colors. There are different color combinations. I like the orange and black because, first of all, I love black, and then the orange kind of gives it that that weapons type, like safety orange kind of feel. So that way, you know, you just, I don't know. Who's going to take this thing hunting? I don't know, but you could if you needed to. But that's not what we're going to be doing. We're going to go outside and we're going to test this thing out, see what kind of power we can get, see if we can actually get some decent aim, shoot this thing off, get a couple good shots of it, and see if it's worth it. Alright guys, so I've got the product here. You can see that it's got the little cap on. We're going to unscrew that. And we're going to use a little rock. I'm sure a small steel ball bearing would be way better for this, but we're going to use a rock because that's what we have at the moment. We're going to see if we can actually shoot this water bottle with decent aim from a distance of about 7-8 feet, just to get a good feel for it. Alright, so if you're going to be using a rock, I wouldn't choose anything that's got too sharp or jagged of edges. Just something that's decent, that'll work with, I mean, the rounder the better because this is latex and latex can break. So we're just going to feed it right to the bottom. You could see that it's at the bottom right there. And we're just going to aim this thing up and shoot it. And first shot, we actually made contact with the water bottle. I clearly didn't stretch it back too far because I didn't want to lose accuracy. But now that I know that it does have accuracy, let's give it a harder shot. Oh, that was beautiful. That hit the water bottle perfectly. Nice. Let's get some slow motion shots of this thing. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that quick little review of this little pocket slingshot. Very decent little product, very budget friendly, and works just like a slingshot, except it's a little bit more portable and you could store your ammunition right inside of it. It's a pretty nice little product. I hope you enjoyed that demonstration of it as well. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button right down here. If you want to check out the last video I did, it'll be up there. And if you want to check out the playlist with lots more cool products just like this, it's right up there. Have a great day, everybody, and as always, don't get shot.